Going hot. Are you ready downstream? All right. How do you think about you? How'd you do?
I think I did good.
Okay, let's go down and take a look.
I think I can almost take a look from right there.
Just go down and take a look.
Okay. Right down there.
Which one were you aiming for?
Big boy.
We'll get it.
Yep.
Got to get it zeroed in.